Ty Plays Games here, coming to you with another episode of Fallout 4. In our last episode, the hell? Oh, I'm on the stairs. Last episode, we built the little shop back here, garage. And again, like I said, I'll show you how to build it without mods. It's tricky, but it can be done. But that'll be on Xbox. But for today, I think we should start working on north side. You know, you guys have two dog houses. One's across the outpost, the settlement by, yeah, never mind. I'm just going to fight over that one. Oh, it's 7:19 a.m.
Thank you. It's like I can finally think straight.
I wonder, do I have a suit he can wear? I'll give him that outfit.
I just want to trade a few things.
I like how that's still an outfit in Fallout.
I gave up alcohol after settling down here. Doctor said I shot my liver.
That kind of suits him though. I could totally see Sheffield becoming like a fisherman or something. Just spends his days drinking Nuka-Cola and catching fish. I mean, that'd be an honest job in the wasteland. Aside from all the other crap you get caught up in this place, but I don't know. In my opinion, I could see him doing that. Doesn't honestly seem like a bad person if you think about it. Oh yeah, I found out what happens to these when you delete them. It just makes them invisible. Like when you delete these bushes, they're still there, but they're invisible. So you don't have them there anymore and you can build stuff where they used to be. Because they are a precubine, but the mod allows it to disappear without damaging the game's code. I didn't know that. I was looking that up about a couple mod authors explain how that works. Because you know how with precubines, you gotta watch what you delete. So we're actually gonna build this, but we're gonna build it our way. Because yeah, I could build this myself, but why? Why build it? Why build one when you can just use a prefab when you can try building yourself? But yeah, I was reading a thing up about precubine and I watched a video about certain things like that. Apparently it disappears or something. It's kind of cool how precubines work. But yeah, if you're using mods that can break precubines, definitely quit using them because you will damage your game doing it, especially on console. Pretty much don't use scrap everything. Use scrap that settlement. Because they'll save you on the headache of breaking, again, precubines. Oh, what? They literally have turrets, 2 turrets and some guard towers. They cannot fucking defend themselves, you fucking... Oh my god. You know what they say, if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. Clearly they don't know what the hell they're doing if they got beat out by a bunch of frickin' raiders. Yeah, there's a reason why I wanted to build it here differently. Because it kind of takes over part of this. But should I move it over? Yeah, we'll leave it. We'll put our door. And that kind of ticks me off. They can't even defend themselves. Useless. Maybe I'm just too rough on my settlers. they count on the Minutemen. I just tell them, oh, well, you can defend yourselves. It's your job, not mine. Another thing I could do is I could delete that bush just to get more room on the front there, which I may just do. Because let's just face it, these bushes aren't defending nobody. We'll just delete them. I'll delete this wall. And we'll just build something up from here. Yeah, so you can't scrap that one because it's part of the settlement. Maybe I'll just tell those sellers, well, next time don't count on the Minutemen for absolutely everything. Could you imagine saying that to them? Well, you know, if you would have been there to defend us, we probably would have had luck against those raiders. Yeah, well, don't count on us for everything. Just really crap on them. Is that evil? Should I crap on my settlers sometimes? I think I should. I was gonna say, don't I have the ball just floating? There we go. Well, I fixed the power issue. Apparently there was some windmill or something glitching out in one of the other houses, so I had to delete all the windmills to find out which one it was, and then I just put them all back. And I don't know what Preston's doing. That seems to be a normal occurrence for characters in this game. One thing I actually like to do is I like to add this picket fencing. There we go. And then we'll add kind of like a busted one at the end there. Like it's buried in the soil. And then we'll add a nice little gate here to get into the garden. Sanctuary Hills had a ton of picket fencing from before the war, so I thought it would make sense to pile picket fencing all over the place. And we'll add some junk stairs. And we'll also add this. So another thing you can add to is one of these prefabs. And then, well, you can't get this without mods, as you can do this to kind of carry the pitch of the roof down, which kind of gives it a better look. Which then you add posts like that, and it gives you kind of like a, it's kind of like it's supported. And then we can just add a roof piece in here. Like that. And then we add like a little like one of these walls just to kind of blend it in a bit better. And then we'll add another set of these stairs. Some junk railings just to kind of make it feel a little fancier, because this is going to be kind of like the... Actually, we'll just complete this as a wall. Kind of like that. And then this is the entrance into the place. Because to save on crop space, I was gonna put a water pump kind of in here. Because originally I was going to put it in here. It would just kind of sit like right there. Should almost make more sense than putting it over here. So I guess we could just put something like some random junk here or something. Maybe like a car we could put here. Oh yeah, I forgot about the camper. We can do campers. Or better yet, we could even put the... Oh no, that is way too big. Put like a destroyed mini car here. We'll just turn off surface snap. Maybe put like a car frame under here. Just to kind of make it look like the car frame supporting part of the house. Since there was a lot of car parts lying around Sanctuary Hills. Like that. Maybe put a truck. backed up to here. It does make sense to have a ton of vehicles lying around Sanctuary, because Sanctuary did have a lot of vehicles lying around before the war. Do like kind of like a city bus. And then we'll just kind of pull it forward a bit, just so it's resting on the van. Because you kind of see how the ground dips down near the end there. That van could be like a supporting piece for it. Kind of pull it forward just a bit because we're going to be putting yeah, I kind of dig that. It's right next to the guard tower, which I do like. I do like that. Oh, I was watching some of the behind the scenes of the Fallout show. Apparently they use sea cans as background cover. And then you can just green screen the sea cans. You know, who would have thought of that? But yeah, you kind of see that. It's kind of resting on the van. I really want to delete these bushes, which we're going to do. And we are going to change this up. Man, that's some big airport pieces. But they could work. Like we could rest a chunk of this on top of the bus. They're kind of like shielding. You know, you kind of got like a dual roof thing going on with your bus. Kind of like that. Jesus, Preston just came out of nowhere. Then maybe we can throw like a capsule.
Preston Garvey, right? You guys are the
What
best. Keep fighting the good fight, okay?
Thanks. It's good to know. Remember to support your local Minutemen.
You're one of the good guys. Don't forget it. Here, take this. I hope you can find a use for it.
The heck did she give you? Why not me? I'm the one who... I'm the one rebuilding the Minutemen. Well, excuse the fuck out of you people. I kind of want it on this side just because if it's there, essentially somebody could sabotage it, put something in the vent. Or in the, on the fan there and kill whoever's inside here. Turn on Jug Snap off. And we'll put a couple of these guys down. And we'll go over to here. Oh my god, does that want to snap? Yeah, maybe we'll just leave it for now. Another thing that works as, or we could do this. But how much of that is sticking in here? Nothing. You know what, we'll stick with this. It just kind of keeps the junky vibe of what we're trying to do here. Okay, I'd like to know why you just keep coming over here, Preston. You're freaking me out. Some stairs going up there. Kind of like the cellar's got a nice little home now. Go to GM2 Workshop because the pieces I want to use are in G2M Workshop, I should say. Or since these places don't have rooms for a kitchen, we can just build like that. We could just say the capsule is missing its door, so we could put a door frame in the front there. gorse area. No, it's not perfectly lined up, I know, but... Or maybe just don't put a door on there. Just, what the heck is he doing? Oh, Jesus, Preston! God, you're like... Preston, what the heck are you doing, man? You're freaking me out. Okay, yeah, you just help yourself into some random person's house. Oh, that's the free place one. There we go. I also want to add like some, we'll have to go back to surface snap off. I'd like some junky fencing just to cover up the wheel wells on the bus that have no tires in it. That's perfect, kind of merging in with the house there. Just kind of be like the sellers just kind of put that up. And we'll kind of add a curved roof onto here. Some junk fencing to kind of clean up the area so you don't see stuff just floating. Another thing we could do is we could put it up against the house, like this. I don't know why he keeps doing that. Resting, you're being weird again. Then we'll go to our wall tabs. We'll pile some tires against here. Kinda like that. You got tires like resting in the posts and man, I would really love to do an aerial view shot of Sanctuary Hills when it's all completed. And I'm going to tell you, there's a reason why I'm only doing half of Sanctuary. I find that even if you do the whole thing without mods, let alone with mods, the frame rate just drops. It's like you're just not meant to build with all the Sanctuary. Or maybe you were and Bethesda just decided not to let it. Not try and fix the frame rate drops. Actually, I kind of don't mind it being inserted into the guard tower a little. Kind of adds to the ambiance that I'm trying to go with Northside. Northside's supposed to be kind of like a junky little neighborhood. I want Sanctuary to Hells, or my Sanctuary, to have its like its own little neighborhoods within the settlement. Again, just being weird as per usual. It's just a normal occurrence for Preston to be weird. And again, the wall doesn't have to be perfect. We could just do it like this. Add like some chain link. turn object snap back on just so we can snap this chain link to it. And even go to the picket fencing. And just do like some picket fencing along here. Go to defenses, miscellaneous. Trying to remember where those pieces are, the Mirelurk stuff on it. Oh, it's in barricades, that's right. And kind of place that there. Put like some tires there. You know, some center block. All right. I'd say that looks pretty good. Oh crap. Oh, it's raining. That's nice. Well, north side's coming together, which is good. We'll go up to the guard tower here and see how much we've gotten built so far. Oh, we kind of got the wall, or the wall built and spiked, which is good. We just gotta finish building the rest of the north side. So it looks good. But I think we've run out of time in this video, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. And let me know down in the comments what you think of Sanctuary Hill so far. And I also will be getting back to Ten Pines Bluff pretty soon to finish building it, so stay tuned for that. I think that'll be the next video, as we'll build Ten Pines Bluff, because I'm trying to figure out what I could put here that would make sense besides just throwing more train cars, which I may have to, but we'll see. Other than that, again, I really appreciate you watching this video, and yeah, again, I really appreciate all you guys, and with all my heart, I love every single one of you. You're really awesome, and I really appreciate everyone subscribing. So, again, thank you. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.